tool breakage, workpiece deformation, chip entanglement causing malfunctions. Have you encountered these titanium machining problems? Hello everyone, I'm Alisa. As we all know, titanium alloy boasts exceptional properties like high strength, low thermal conductivity, and high chemical reactivity. This makes it widely used in cutting-edge fields such as aerospace, medical, and chemical industries. However, the difficulty in machining titanium alloy poses significant challenges in design and manufacturing. Therefore, we are specifically consulting mechanical engineer with 10 years of CNC machining experience at Longwang to advise how to achieve high-quality titanium alloy machining. Number 1. Repeat tool wear and high-temperature issues. Titanium alloys' poor thermal conductivity and heat buildup tendency cause severe tool wear. So, to address this, we can select tools with high resistance to heat and deformation, apply high-temperature coatings suitable for high-speed precision machining, such as time coating or PCT coating. We also implement HPC and cryogenic cooling to reduce temperatures in the coating zone. Number 2. Work hardening issues. During titanium alloy machining, the workpiece surface undergoes plastic deformation and high temperatures, forming a hard and brittle hardened layer that complicates cutting and forming operations. Typically, we can control this by optimizing cutting parameters such as feed rate, cutting speed, and depth of cut. Additionally, hardened layer thickness can be reduced by minimizing repeat cutting passes, removing the hardened layer, and implementing post-machining treatments. Number 3. Chip evacuation issues. Titanium alloy chips exhibit high toughness, poor breakability, and strong adhesion tendencies, leading to entanglement around tools or workpieces. Chip accumulation subsequently causes tool chipping or workpiece scoring. So, to prevent chip accumulation, we can either optimizing tool pieces to reduce cutting engagement angles, or utilize high-pressure air mist and through tool coolant delivery to directly flush away chips. Number 4. Titanium material selection criteria. Titanium metal also has different properties depending on the titanium content and the type of additives. For instance, pure titanium offers excellent corrosion resistance, machinability, and high biocompatibility, making it ideal for medical applications. Alpha titanium alloy is used in high-temperature environments such as auto, motorcycle parts, and aerospace, due to its excellent high-temperature strength and good reliability. Select titanium alloy materials based on specific products and application fields. Longwang has compiled comprehensive reference materials on titanium alloy machining. If you have more information you want to know or any projects that need to be machined, please like, subscribe, and keep following or contact us. This is Longwang. I'm Alisa. See you next video. Bye.